to show you how you could create lines today and even circles. When you click on the line icon, what will happen is that you will see two coordinates coming live as you're moving the cursor around. These two coordinates are the X and Y coordinate. You can actually click anywhere on the screen and start drawing lines. Notice if you move your cursor directly above vertically, it would snap to 90 degrees and 0 degrees accurately. Okay, so you could actually draw a rectangle, and what you could do is that to draw a rectangle accurately, you can move your mouse without clicking over to the corner, and you can drag it up vertically, and what it does is that it has that dotted lines that helps you identify how you can draw the rectangle accurately this way. Okay, another way of drawing a rectangle accurately is clicking the rectangle icon, and you can select one corner of the rectangle, select the other corner of the rectangle, and there you have it. The circle icon is here, and you can create circles, and these are lines that you would want to create continuously. And the difference between a polyline and a line is that the polyline is one entity by itself. When I select it, all these segments are selected, whereas for lines, they are broken up into different segments, and that's the difference between the two of them. As of now, both have very little meaning to you. I'm deleting all this now. If you want to draw your drawing to exact dimensions, what you can do is you can click on line, and you can actually start with 0, 0. And what happens is that, okay, I'm moving my center mouse button so that I can see where my starting point is, and the 0, 0 starts off at the XY coordinates 0. And what you can do is that you can accurately draw a box dimension of let's say 800 millimeters, and you can go up by 800 millimeters. You can go up here, you can move in this direction. You need not move exactly to 800. You could actually move in this direction, and over there it says 652, but when you type 800, it would snap to the distance and the length of 800. Now, to close the whole entire polygon, you can actually move your mouse near to the end point, or the start point, and it would snap to that position for you. Press escape to end the whole entire rubber band, and you have with you a square that's 800 by 800 millimeters. To draw a circle exactly in the center of this square, you can actually enter in the coordinate of 400, and you can press the tab button by 400 again, and that specifies the center of the circle. Next is to specify the radius of the circle, and the radius of this circle, I would like it to be 100 millimeters. And there I have a square which is 800 by 800, and a circle right in its center with a radius of 200 millimeters. So I can actually use this annotation here, and I can measure to verify the distance. Now the number is really small, so what I do is I scroll in here and I can see it's 400, right? That's what I have for this segment on the drawings. Okay, thank you very much for your attention.